Hi everyone, I'm Geraldine Glass and you're here with me in the Crystal Cadence Sound Healing Studio and Temple of Alchemy in Los Angeles. And your free monthly meditation is out now. Please join me at the YouTube channel Crystal Cadence and enjoy this beautiful set for your November Crystal Alchemy Sound Healing Meditation. So this set is about embodying the attitude of gratitude. Beautiful alchemies of morganite, Saint Germain, Lemurian seed crystal, phenakite, celestite, black tourmaline, blue moonstone, anchi. So these are all crystals, gemstones, beautiful alchemies that get amplified when the bowls are played. The bowls being pure quartz can really send these incredible alchemies right to your heart. So remember, an attitude